Hey, Gerberry here from my10ksystem.com. Chances are you're watching this video because you're doing your research on wiredbucks.com. Maybe you saw a post on this on Facebook or a video of someone claiming they're making money, and you're smart enough to really do your research to see whether or not this is legit or a scam that you should absolutely stay away from. Well, what I'm gonna do in this video is use my 5 years of experience online, and I'm gonna review this page and site so you can see at the end of it whether or not you should do this or go somewhere else. So I'm on the website right now. You can see this first claim right here, make your first $200 with us today. Anytime I see a claim like that, I instantly get a little bit weary because that's a very bold claim, and most people are not going to be able to earn $200 no matter what the opportunity, because there's setup time. You have to understand how it works. So that instantly set me off with a red flag. Now, it claims that you can get a $25 sign-up bonus, but the problem is you'll never actually be able to withdraw that money into a PayPal account or a bank account. The reason being is this site, as you'll see when you keep watching this review, won't actually have the money to pay you, okay? Because what they're claiming you can do, if you go down here, is basically they say you can join and then share your link, okay, on social media, sites like Facebook, Twitter, things like that. And then basically they say you'll earn $10 every time you refer a new member, a new person to sign up with an account in this site. And then they say you can withdraw the money. But again, the problem is that, as you'll see in a second, for many different shocking reasons that may blow your mind, this is actually not a real site and not a real opportunity, okay? So if you go up here, okay, to testimonials, okay, what I want you to take a look at is you'll see these different people, okay, that are claiming to make money using WiredBucks. But what I did was I actually just searched up this person's picture, and look what I found, okay, on a site called Pexels.com, which is a famous website to get stock images. These are images that basically you can use for free. Stefan, okay, this is actually a guy named Stefan, and he uploaded his picture. And what the creator of WiredBucks did was just download his image and use this, creating a fake testimonial. And this is how all the rest of them are as well, okay? As you can see right here, the name is Dale. Okay, this isn't even a real testimonial. Also, if you go to the About section, okay, and you look at this right here, it says that it's paid out $410 million so far, okay? But then if you take the website, wiredbucks.com, and you take it to a site called who.is, which shows you basically the history of when that site was created, you'll see that it was actually registered April 2020. Okay, so in a couple months at the time of recording this, there's no way on God's green earth that any site, okay, let alone this one, could have paid out that much money, 400 and something million dollars, okay? So for these reasons, this is definitely not legit at all. But chances are you are looking for something legit. You're watching this video, you're doing your research, and you're probably like I was about 5 years ago. I was looking at different opportunities. I didn't know what was real and what wasn't. But what I want to share with you is that if you are looking for an opportunity that is legit, that the testimonials are real, that it is simple and easy to actually make money, then I'm going to include my #1 recommended way in the description. Again, I've been online the last 5 years. I've seen where people go wrong. I see the scams, and I see where people succeed very quickly. And at the link below, you'll be able to discover an opportunity that's working absolutely incredibly well for not just me, but people all over the world. Many people brand new, able to make their first $100, their first $500, pretty quickly once they use that method. So anyway, my friend, I hope you enjoyed this WiredBucks review. Take this for what it is. Again, I would highly recommend you avoid this. There's way better, way more legit ways to actually make money, including the link below. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next review.